Today's video will be all about eyeliners. So SASA has just launched their latest Maikohan liquid eyeliners, and these are available in 3 different shades: black, black brown, and red brown. And I'm going to be showing you 3 very easy eyeliner styles using these 3 shades. The brush tip is wider in the front and thinner from the side, so this way you can easily draw a thicker line using the flat front or a finer line using the side. To create this double liner look, I'm just drawing a fine line on the upper eyelids and winging it out slightly at the ends. To draw the wings at the bottom, I'm starting from the middle of my lower lash line and drawing a parallel line using the underside of the top wing as a guide. For this negative space eyeliner look, I'm drawing a cat eye eyeliner and just adding another fine line at the crease of my eyelids. The line at the top should be about 1/3 eye length, and do curve the line where it connects to the wing. You don't want a 90-degree right angle there. So I have no idea what this last look is called, and so I'm just calling it a floating cat eye. The concept is pretty simple. You're just creating a cat eye wing without connecting it to your lash line. So I'm just starting off by estimating where my usual wing would end, and well, just winging it from there. So we've come to the end of this short eyeliner tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!